Let's do review homework first. So this time is a little bit risky, but because I'm going to do real time. So let's do 3a. So it's simultaneous equation, 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 1. X plus 3y plus z is equal to 2. X plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 7. We want to find x, y, z using matrix method. Before anyone asks, this is a stylish way of writing the letter z.
It's cursive. It's
Yeah.
cursive.
So the first step is to write it as a matrix. Now, just add a note why we can rewrite it as, because in matrix multiplication, if you have a 3 by 3 matrix, multiply a 3 by 1, it will become a 3 by 1 matrix. So if you multiply this, it will basically be 2x plus 2y plus z in the top element, and then x plus 3y plus z in the middle, and then the bottom is x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 1, 2, 7. So this is really the same as the above, except it is written in a more stylish, more fancier way. And as I explained kind of in the class, this is actually the matrix method, is how computer solves simultaneous equation. And there are a lot of practical problems that have like tens, dozens, or hundreds of variables. So computer use this to solve. So let's kind of call this A. X, Y, Z is equal to 1, 2, 7. So let's find A inverses. What are the 7 steps? Sorry, 4 steps, not 7 steps.
Determinant.
Step 1, determinant. So let's find the determinant of A. 2, 3, 2. What is 2, 3, 2? 12. And then 2, 1, 1 is 2. And then 1, 1, 2 is 2. And now we need to minus. 1, 3, 1 is minus 3. 2, 1, 2 is 4. And then finally 2, 1, 2 is 4. So it is 5. Okay. What is step 2? Cofactor of A. So the top left is basically the determinant of 3, 1, 2, 2. 6 minus 2, so that's 4. Naomi, what's this one?
That one is 1.
1. We'll add the minus sign in here. Rafi, what's the top right? The determinant of this 4. Negative 1. Isaac, what is this one?
It's 2.
2. William, what's the one in the middle?
3.
3. Naomi?
2.
2. Olivia?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Rafi? So it's 2, 1, 1, 1. What's the determinant of 2, 1, 1, 1? 1. Rafi, this one. What's the determinant of this? 2, 2, 1, 3. 4. And then the next step is we need to add the negative sign in here, 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 here. So let's just do it.
But how do you decide the one for the middle? Oh, is it the 2 corners? The 4 corners?
Yeah, the 4 corners. Yeah. So that's step 2. So it's very important that you all participate because, as I said, I'm doing it like live. if I make a mistake, then I can blame, well, we all share the responsibility of getting it right or wrong. Okay. So step 3, so let's calculate the adjoint. I can do this part. I'm an expert on transposing. So it basically just means flipping it. And step 4, I'm going to divide all of this by 5. So this is the inverse. So what we do now is we come back to here. So we multiply the inverse on both sides. What does the left hand side become? Inverse and then multiply by itself.
Nothing, so identity.
Identity, it's not nothing. It would be bad if it's nothing. Okay, so then this is one is identity multiplied by itself is this. So now we just put the inverse here. And multiply by 127. 4 minus 4 and minus 7. So it's minus 7 over 5. So that's x. And then y minus 1 plus 6. So it's plus 5. And then minus 7. So it's minus 2. And then finally minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. And then 28. So it's 23. So you could basically plug this in back in here, so it solves all the 3 equations. So that's the matrix method, the third method of solving simultaneous equation. Who remembers what the other 2 methods were?
Graphical and algebraic.
Yep. Bingo. So with that, that's the homework problem.